Hi, CJ Delvecchio with Warren Real Estate, and today I'm inside my new listing at 114 E Seneca Road in Trumansburg. And as you can see, I'm inside the large open living dining room area, which is at the front of the house, obviously. And you can see a cute built-in here in the dining room. These nice oak hardwood floors have been recently refinished. Here's a peek outside of the front. The grass is really greening up. Late April. This is a rare find because it's a village property with village amenities, but it's also on a 1-acre lot, so it has a large yard. Coming into the kitchen here, it's a galley kitchen and it has natural gas stove and these nice Corian counters, lovely cabinets, lots of cabinets, a little office nook, I guess, right here, and a nice big family room off the back, also with oak hardwood floors. They've been recently refinished. And here's the one of the mini splits. There's 4 of them that provide cooling and heat, but there's also hot water baseboard for heat. And here's a look at the backyard, back deck. The yard actually goes, it's flag lot, so it goes over here as well. You can take a look at the survey that's available. And coming back around here, in the family room off of the kitchen, coming back to the kitchen here, is an addition which has a large full bath. So there's 2.5 baths in this house and 2 on the main floor, a half bath upstairs, and quite nice sized. As you can see, vinyl flooring here in the bathroom and the kitchen. And coming back around, again, it's Corian. It's a 1-unit sink here. Dishwasher. Fridge. And the other nice feature is you have 4 bedrooms. One's a main level bedroom here at the end of the hall. 3 more bedrooms up with a half bath. And a partially finished lower level with a rec room, laundry room, storage, workshop area. Coming into the master also has a mini split, but hot water baseboard for the heat. And the master bath here on the main level by a pocket door. There's new tile floor. It's radiant heat for the flooring in the master bath here. And you can see a nice sink. Toilet, nice tiled walk-in shower. Nicely done. All neat and clean. The owners wanted to make this house turnkey ready for the new owner. Here's a look at the closet. So all you have to do is just move right in. Some nice features also. As I said, it was built in 1942. You have these really lovely historical doorknobs. Here's some storage. And again, coming back into the living room, another mini split there. Dining room. And the front deck. Looking out to the street. So that concludes the first floor video of 114 E Seneca Road. Hope you enjoyed the tour.